Welcome to our guide on mastering Python interfaces with abstract base classes. We'll explore designing flexible, maintainable systems using Python's abstract base classes module, covering core concepts, implementation, and advanced techniques. Abstract base classes, ABCs in Python, provide a blueprint for creating interfaces, ensuring that derived classes implement specific methods. This approach enhances code flexibility and maintainability. By using the ABC module, developers can define abstract methods and properties, creating a structured framework that enforces method implementation, thus reducing runtime errors and improving code reliability. Python's duck typing allows flexibility by treating objects based on behavior rather than explicit types. However, this can lead to runtime errors if expected methods are missing. Without explicit interfaces, maintaining large code bases becomes challenging. As applications grow, clear contracts, compile time guarantees, and self-documenting code are essential for easier collaboration and safer refactoring. Interfaces define a contract, specifying required methods and properties for implementing classes. They create an abstraction layer, allowing components to interact through defined boundaries without knowing implementation details. This enables polymorphic behavior, where multiple classes implement the same interface differently, promoting loose coupling and high cohesion, essential for robust, testable, and maintainable software architecture. Python's ABC module enables defining abstract base classes, enforcing method implementation in subclasses. Abstract base classes prevent instantiation of incomplete classes and support IceInstance and isUbclass checks. They are crucial for designing plugin architectures, building frameworks, and ensuring API contract clarity, especially in large team projects. Let's explore creating a simple payment processing interface using Python's abstract base classes. The payment processor class, derived from abstract base classes, defines abstract methods, process payment, and refund payment. These methods, marked with our abstract method, must be implemented by subclasses. Failure to do so results in a type error, ensuring adherence to the defined contract. Implementing concrete classes like Stripe Processor and PayPal Processor involves providing specific logic for each method while adhering to the payment processor interface. Stripe Processor handles payments and refunds with Stripe-specific logic, while PayPal Processor does the same for PayPal. This ensures consistency across different implementations, maintaining the contract defined by the abstract base class. Forgetting to implement all methods in an interface leads to a type error. Python detects this at instantiation, not during method calls, preventing runtime issues. For instance, a broken processor missing refund payment will fail to instantiate. Use type checkers like MyPyIn, strict mode to catch such errors early, enhancing code reliability. Interfaces empower client code by enabling functions to accept any payment processor, abstracting implementation details. The checkout function exemplifies this, processing payments with Stripe or PayPal seamlessly. This is polymorphism in action, where the function relies solely on the interface contract, ensuring flexibility and adaptability in handling diverse payment systems. Abstract properties in ABCs enforce that subclasses provide specific data attributes. Using aProperty before atSubstract method ensures subclasses implement read-only properties. This pattern guarantees that essential attributes like connection strings are consistently available, while methods like connect and disconnect establish and close connections, maintaining a robust interface contract. Implementing abstract properties ensures subclasses like database source and API source provide specific connection strings. Database source uses a PostgreSQL format, while API source constructs a URL with an endpoint and key. Both classes implement connect and disconnect methods, demonstrating how abstract properties enforce consistent interfaces across different data sources. Virtual subclasses in Python allow classes to satisfy an interface without direct inheritance, ideal for third-party classes. Using the registration pattern, like registering legacy shape as a drawable, enables IceInstance checks to pass. This approach offers flexibility and type safety, though enforcing abstract methods remains the developer's responsibility. The Moi subclass hooked Sarkar magic method enables advanced structural subtyping by defining custom interface rules. In the serializable class, subclass hooks checks for serialize and deserialize methods. If present, the class satisfies the interface without explicit inheritance, allowing duck-typed classes to seamlessly integrate by meeting method requirements. Abstract-base classes can include concrete methods, offering shared functionality while enforcing interface contracts. For instance, FileHandler defines abstract methods for reading and writing, but also provides concrete methods like log operation and safe write. These methods ensure consistent logging and error handling across subclasses, enhancing reliability and maintainability in file operations. Python's support for multiple inheritance allows classes to implement multiple interfaces, enabling compositional designs. For instance, a class can inherit from both readable and writable interfaces, ensuring adherence to the interface segregation principle. This promotes small, focused interfaces, enhancing flexibility and maintainability in software design. Abstract-base classes, ABCs, are ideal for building extensible plugin systems. In a data processing pipeline, ABCs allow seamless integration of new processors without altering core code. The data processor class defines essential methods: can process to check data compatibility, process to handle data, and processor name for unique identification. This design promotes flexibility and scalability. The image processor and video processor classes implement the data processor interface, each with a unique processor name. Image processor checks for image type data, generating thumbnails and metadata. Video processor handles video type data, extracting frames and duration. These plugins demonstrate how specific processing logic is encapsulated, allowing seamless integration into a plugin architecture. The plugin manager efficiently handles processors by registering them and routing data to the appropriate processor. It registers processors like image processor and video processor, then processes data based on type. If no suitable processor is found, it returns an error. This system ensures seamless integration and processing of diverse data types. Abstract-base classes, ABCs, require explicit inheritance and enforce rules at runtime, making them ideal for clear hierarchies. They can include concrete methods and support virtual subclasses. Protocols, on the other hand, use structural subtyping, offering flexibility with static type checking and no inheritance requirement. Opt for ABCs for runtime enforcement. Choose protocols for flexibility. Avoid over-abstraction by creating abstract base classes only when multiple implementations are needed. Always use the abstract method decorator to enforce method implementation. Keep interfaces focused. An abstract base class should represent a single concept. Comprehensive docstrings are crucial for abstract methods, detailing expected behavior, parameters, return values, and exceptions, serving as the specification. Testing with abstract base classes, ABCs, simplifies unit testing by allowing mock implementations. For instance, a mock payment processor can simulate payment processing without real dependencies. In tests, you can verify behavior by asserting outcomes, like ensuring a payment amount is processed correctly. This approach enhances test reliability and efficiency. Abstract-base classes integrate with Python's type system, enhancing type hints for static analysis. Use them to document expectations, as seen in functions like process_batch, which processes items using a data processor. Combining abstract-base classes with generics, such as in the repository class, creates type-safe abstractions, ensuring compile-time checking across various data types. Abstract-base classes, ABCs, introduce minimal runtime overhead with a one-time instantiation check. Method calls remain as efficient as standard Python methods. Memory impact is negligible, involving only class hierarchy metadata. For performance-critical scenarios, consider protocols for static checking without runtime cost. Generally, abstract base class overhead is insignificant for most applications. Abstract Class Factory combines abstract base classes with factory patterns, ensuring flexible object creation. The factory method is abstract, requiring subclasses like PDF processor to implement both processing logic and a standardized creation method. This pattern enforces consistency across implementations, enhancing code maintainability and scalability. Define clear contracts using abstract base classes, ABCs, to document expectations and enforce implementation, making code self-documenting. ABCs enable flexible architecture through polymorphism and dependency inversion, enhancing system flexibility and maintainability. They catch errors early at instantiation, saving debugging time. Integrate ABCs with Python's ecosystem for professional development. Practice creating ABCs for scalable software design.